Hey there! Welcome to the virtual part of this upcoming Pampered Chef cooking class. I'm super excited to be your Pampered Chef consultant for this party. And if you don't have one, I'd love to be your forever Pampered Chef lady. I love what I do and I love getting to meet new people and share some great cooking tips and great easy recipes because we're all so crazy busy. So to learn some great quick easy recipes is what we're all happy about. If you look at the event description, you'll see the date and time of the upcoming event. Be sure to click yes to attend so that you see the posts that will come throughout the event and you don't miss any great things. Feel free to bring a friend. If you bring somebody that was not invited by the host, you will get a free gift at checkout, and free is always good. I always say if it's free, it's for me. If you can't make it, you still can order because all orders ship direct to your house. And I'd love to party with you. So if you can't make it and you'd like to host a fun cooking catalog virtual or fundraiser, I hope that you would let me know because the host will receive the booking benefit from that. She will get a half price item. So that's always a nice perk for her, and I know, or him, and I know you guys always want to help your friends out. So let me know how I can assist you. If you need any cooking tips, if you have a product that you don't know how to use, please post. I'd be happy to help. Put a video so you can see how to use that product, and I hope to help you in your kitchen, making your meal times more memorable and less time cooking but more time with your family. Have a great day. Happy cooking.